Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, a very special. And guys, right now I'm at home, and since I traveled since on Friday, so yesterday I was around at home, and I want to say guys, thank you so much. Be with me all the way, and all the time I want to say guys, thank you a million for supporting me by watching my videos until the end. And guys, in case you meet this vlog for today, share to my family, share to your friend, and that's the best you can support Hello Baby Official. So guys, today it's a bright morning, as you can see how my village looks like, the beautiful scenery of this forest. And right now today's work is to install the gutters, and I think when it's good, when maybe tomorrow it's raining time, we harvest water. So my mom, she was struggling a lot, and guys, you keep supporting me, and your support I really appreciate. And for now, right now my home is over there, so as now I speak here, my plumber is removing the local gutters, or for the gutters which meant for the zinc and all stuff. So technically I'm so proud of myself, the work that I was making at my mom's family. So that's my first priority, and to stay with the parent, it's a good thing, and I appreciate on that, because 100% my mom tried to advise me, tried to motivate me since I was born, since I was kid, to be good child, or to be good son and daughters. But right now I'm a good son. Honestly, I'm a good son. So you've been there with me, guys. Let me sit here, and I miss the scenery of my home, guys, or scenery of my village. So right now I just show you what's going on in my village, and every day there's some activity which is taking maybe every time, but I've already shown you my home every time. And when I wake up in the morning, like today, there's some activity, some different part of activities, or maybe plastering somewhere else, going to my project, it's over there. But right now, today, is to install water. And mom, I want to say thank you a million. May God bless you. I can't mention your name, but if you're watching these videos, may God bless you. And for those who are watching my videos, also may God bless you. So you heard the noise? That noise or chaos is for the removal of the local we call zinc or iron sheet. So but I know in Jamaican they call zinc, but in Africa here, because we learned British language, so we called iron sheet. So we try like smith the zinc look like the gutters, but in local way. So today I want to put the gutters, digital one. If you're watching my videos, my current videos, you see I'm going to the hardware, purchasing this and this. And today, guys, is to install pipe, gutters, and also the tank to connect water to the tank. So guys, right now my mom, she was struggling over approximately, let me say, over 20 years. But right now, because of the courtesy of one of our subscribers, said, oh, hello baby, I want to support your mom and to have the tank for your family. I said, okay, just do so. And guys, me, from my bottom of my heart, if you send something for me, hello baby, do this, I want to do right now, and I make the videos, you see. And I know for the haters don't like, but for us, we just move with positive vibe, and we focus with our life, man. So I'm feeling so better, and I will insist to build my mama dream house maybe next year. So guys, beware. I've already made some videos, and I show you where technically my dream house for my mama to be. But for me, on my muddy house, I'm okay, because the way I done renovation inside the house, or inside of my house, it's okay. That's the reason why I didn't renovate my mom's house, because I know maybe in the future I'll demolish them. So there's no need, maybe, oh, I spend a lot of money to renovate my mom's house, and then finally maybe God opened the doors and then demolish the house. So that's the kind of wasting infrastructure or wasting materials. So let's move on. I'm going this way fast, and to be honest, I'm trying to pass on this forest here because I breathe fresh air all the time, man. And so honestly, to have a baby at my home's there, it's help us a lot. Like today, I took Congrats mom to school. I came back with my baby. I took the timber and then I transport back home. So Monkia, wherever you are, bro, every single minute I want to say thank you a million, bro. Right now you surprised me with a motorbike, and I'm calling my baby, that's my first baby, because it's transports, it's take me all over the village looking for the content. And I know for the haters, they start saying, oh, hello baby, you want to sell the motorbike. There is a time, and for me, I can't do those nonsense, man. I just mind my own issue. So I'm heading this way to check the cow, because my mom told me go and check the cow whether it's okay, and then we shall move on. Wow. So I was born in Africa, African Kenya. I'm a Kenyan by citizenship, and I'm so grateful to be born in Africa. What about you? Well, guys, hey, yeah, I'm always I'm positive vibe all the time, and tomorrow's videos are very, very special. You just wait. So this is my mom's cow. You see how my mom they try to make the life to be better. They bought one cow at a lower price, at a small calf. Right now it's a bigger cow. Give birth to this one, give birth to other one. So right now my mom have like 3 of them. Imagine, that's a profit, man. And it's grazing, look. It's grazing, man. Wow. So for me, man, I recognize 100% my mom's hardworking, and always I learn from my mom. You know, if you want to be a good boy or a good girl, learn what your parents have been doing before you move outside of your parent. That is it. Wow. So that's my mom's cow, man, and it's okay. Once when my mom said, go and check this, I ran, man, like crazy. This is our bull. Bull. Come on. They look like an aggressive cow, but it's not aggressive. Look. So it's okay. And let's move on. So right now, guys, let's see what my Flambo is doing. And also, I think that's my time when I was starting my vlog. And actually, oh, let me check the time, man. It's 11:52. So the time is running like crazy because of the time, and I didn't have money to purchase the timber. So I will join that videos, and honestly right now I'm blocked. I didn't have any money. So there is cement that are needed, like 2 bags. So I will show you that bags of cement that are going to do some work around the tank after the tank were being fixed, you know. So God is good all the time, and each and every single minute I want to say, God, thank you for this life, for the prosper of the life. And I went there at Nyabuhansi, and finally I'm totally blocked. I didn't have anything on my pocket, and the timber were being needed. It's 10 feet long, and it's 8 by 1. So, and it's so expensive. So I explained that guy for the timber yard with my own problem, and they understand me well because I'm a trustful person. So they give me the timbers, and then when I get money, I will pay him, because those 4 timbers goes to 1,700 per foot. It's 250. So when multiply times 10, you get the money. You get the money. So recently I bought the timbers for my toilet, for the fisher board, around 1,750. So guys, you heard. So this is my home. This is my mom's house. In the future, by God's grace, I will demolish this house. Maybe it depends the year, the month. Maybe it can take me around 11 months or 11 years, 10 years. But one day I'll make my mom to be proud. So let me show you that timber. You see my baby is outside. This is my baby, my first baby, man, and I love it. So I want to show you that timber, or for the fisher board timber. And actually for mine, I bought around 1,750 Kenyan money. That's almost equivalent to 20 USD. And I brought here. So this is the timber that I was going to bought for the fisher board, and then they put the gutters here. And to make matter worse, also I didn't have money to take the timber to the machine to do like this revolized here, or the fisher board, and to smoothing the timber. And also I went there for the guy who has that machine. I explained my own problem, and they understand me. Bring the timber, I make the timber to be smooth and all decoration. I said, when I get the money, I'll pay you. You know, if you are trustful in your village, everybody can trust you. You know what I mean? So every single minute I'm showing you my project, and I'm tired of my toilet. But in case you're new here, I've already completed this one, and I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to look for the tiles, right? Let's see the work for today, guys. I'm so proud of myself, what I was made on this humble family. That's my African mom over there. Kobembo tari no musumeno. Papa tamoro ba rondero. Kaya sa yung ote morchi rate ka. What's the problem? Tari ga ambe futita. Harota chua tiara. No ate mebuwe. Ikesa tani biki. Tamo amboro ba rondero ratore har. Ro no so sarandu hiki. Ei. Kata mahambe to kenge tutore har. Tana musumeno he. See the work? So, and then I'll put the gutters here. Hey. So today what the teacher is? They watch you teacher is.
Seriously, disturbing.
Hara.
Disturbing. You're disturbing.
Hara.
No, disturbing. Seriously.
Nakore kodi.
Nakore kodi. Seriously.
Kono chacha. Chacha. Hano yake to rakore mbya surupa. Chimba chitaguisa. Here.
Ata patiri na kumanya mali na wako manyire gonsu. Acha bande bano. Ni goro kenge.
Makuru hara horro ngero gale. Kura yogo tere.
Wana rotane mbaka.
over there. So I wonder. Hey. Imagine, and then after that, guys, we fetch this water inside here. We fetch this water inside and then we pour like so ngora no moment kumutun. Sasa chimbacho na nchira ise. Yeah. Na mama ngutu anoto kura hano. Chintacho ni nyawalete. Kana mbe hali bere. Hara ni renga chuke hibere. Hara. Na kwa hivyo hano ni bere. Na kura gese ku hano. Oh guys, then I'm gonna try to wash my sisters. Hey, woo. Guys, I'm so tired. You see my mom working so hard. Say hello, mom.
Hello.
How do you feel? Are you scared to make a tank?
Vizuri.
Yeah, I'm telling my mom, how do you feel today? We install water and put the tank on the base. So it's depend of your courtesy of your subscriber, guys. You made it possible today. No more going to the river fetching water. No more. So today I'm a handman at my dad's home. Today I'm the handman. I want to help my plumber to put this stuff here. He was the professional. Chacha anuwe. Toretere tuchireni chipaipo he. Panuwe kitukugutu. Muhire. Guys, I'm at Nyabohanse, so I'm actually at the timber yard of the machine. You can see the chairs over there. So I want to see the we're calling the timber 8, and then I brought to the machine here, inside here, and actually it's morning over here. So that's how Nyabohanse looks like. Everything's chilling here. Well, for the moment, and every day we just saying, oh, Nyabohanse village, kind is Nyabohanse, guys, over here. And for me, I'm heading this way. For now, guys, I didn't have money to purchase the timber, so I came here to have 4 timbers, and then my baby is here. Wow. 9. I got 8. Nah, 8. Oh guys, so for now, guys, I'm broke. I didn't have money, and I want my friend maybe to listen my problem and maybe to assist me some timber. When I get money, I'll pay. Tandu si iga nano pokare.
8-1. Chibauren.
Si oh guys. So for now, guys, I'm broke. Sincheku ni baba mdogo.
Allah. Moro chimahe.
Nintama ni wa tandu siri chimbao. Yomfuti 10. 10. 10. We need 4. And guys, to be honest, right now I'm broke. I didn't have money, so I came to my friend here to listen my problem and then assist me with timber. When I get money, I'll pay. Chino nane nan. 10. Iga. Cho sunchira ngai.
Tara tifuti bo kita.
romantic. That's just no chetere.
Nane chile. Ati food.
Now guys, as I said right now here, my mason or plumber waiting. So I want to measure the length. Maybe it's 8.
8. Ang zoten 8. None.
Sand? Okay. I want to say thank you because he listened with my problem. When I get money, I'll pay this timber. Long 10.
Joy.
Okay. I want to deliver one by one to the machine over there and then go this way, guys. It's 1 army after all, guys. So I take this timber, man, to the machine. Try to imagine. It's crazy situation by itself. Acha matani ba, mwenye kupiga tena hizi mbao. Fanya ujinga. Mzungu wa matako yako. There is one guy who disturbing me there, guys. Sorry for that. Imagine, I take the timber here. Wow, guys, to the machine. Woo. Here, minding this way. Oh guys, so for now I drop two timbers and it's 10 long. Some I went for the next trip and then I finish up. I came for the next trip, this one here, and it's long, 10 feet, and it's 2 guys. Wow. So this is the next, and I take to the machine, and then finally home. Ngoro, achunyi mukiri hata chino. I'm calling my friend to assist me, guys, because it's heavy. Mukachino hata nora achus kunyi soda. Mukira chino nguru mura.
La 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 la.
Right. Kanaro noro nani hekirore. Singuir. Okay. Hi. Kera kuye konguru mura. When I got a good Samaritan to assist. In it top. Well, there is that guy abused me when I have some timbers, and they try to push my timbers. For me, I don't like jokes. Omera, kujurande vitu.
Sawa, anakuja nimalizie na hawa.
Na usijurande kama ile siku.
Ile siku
uliharibu mbao. Wow. So I told that guy to come and make the machine. Are you actually did that? Wow. Wow guys, so stay tuned as I wait in some the accuracy, and then we split the timber so and make the
90% degrees above sea level.
Banapima vizuri. So when maybe fundi, at least tumekuja because your workers disturbing me and they don't want to split my Enjoy.
Disturbing you now.
The Luo one here. Luo Kaduo.
Naona ukisema Mjaluo ananiangalia.
Luo Kaduo.
Huyo sio Mjaluo.
I
cannot interfere.
Okay. Fundi, nimeleta ziko nani?
Anisumbua nikimesha
There
hapa
is.
inarudi.
So the order of this yard is this one here. Isn't it?
Wasema fisher body.
The fisher body. At least I have my mason here. My engineer. Ziko nani? Hey. Hizi hapa zikirando sawa. Wewe acha kusema 90 degrees. Hivyo. So guys, the timber is coming to the machine over here.
Hata naye atanisaidia.
Sana kuja.
Fundi inchu.
So just over here. Baby.
This is the engineer.
Yaba.
That suka. Engineer will come to your site there.
You come.
I come.
I would like you.
Well guys, so I'm outside with my baby. So my baby helped me a lot. So this is the timber, and actually I'm delivered home right now, and we continue with our work, guys. Wow. Guys, I'm keep going back home with the timbers, and it's so heavy, so it's taking me like this, and I can't manage to vlog while I'm driving. So this one over here, and also this is my baby, guys, and it's helped me a lot. You know, people are passing here. Wow. So I want to say thank you so much, Monkia. You made it possible. Even right now my baby is taking me around, take the luggage, everything. And also guys, today is on Monday, and also I escort Congrats mom from here to the school, but I didn't manage to shoot the videos because man, it's early, around 6 there is some dark, so you can't manage to shoot the videos. But right now I'm going to see the work for today. Actually today we install the water, and when I get like 2 cement, I'll start maybe putting some concrete on the pipe, because we aren't piping on the ground right now. So guys, stay tuned. As I reach home, we shall do more vlog as I can. And every day I shoot at home, but it's matter of activity that I change. Maybe today I went to the shamba, today do this, today do this. So every day things change at home, and normally I shoot at home, and maybe some activities interchange, you know. Today I do this, tomorrow next thing, man. So stay tuned as I move, guys. So I'm heading this way. Wow. Oh guys, so I reached home. God is good. This is my luggage here. This is my mom. Normally 100% we work with my mom around at home here. So that's the timber, and that is too. Oh, that's my sister. Actually, that's my sister. Oh, my cousin. Woo. That's my uncle's daughter. Hello. Ninye. No guys, toka pikipiki sikuanguki. Toka pikipiki sikuanguki. So it's time to take one on. Guys, imagine. And then I take inside. Oh guys, vamos a poner tiempo tancho. Isi, tiami nyumba ngachu. Embiru ba orno ba. Okay, that's my plumber. Uwe, akiore. Yeah. Iko poa. Kana monto higasi hogo. Alright guys. Oh guys, so I think right now we are here. We are here putting the fisher board. And then the fisher board. The mess. My plumber is here. So this is the fisher board, guys. We just put him here. This is where I'm packing my babies. Wow.
What is laughing?
I see how you struggle inside there.
Please, nothing can come, just a simple stuff.
You must work hard.
Not even to work hard,
Take up.
but to struggle.
Amiko sawa.
But to struggle.
Piko sawa.
Bring the nail.
Big the
Bring the nail. I need a very strong something.
Yeah, just down here. I think this one is okay.
What is talking?
Guys, today I'm the handman, so no handman around, so I'm just assisting my plumber to hold the timbers. You see what I mean? So this one we fix random, and then maybe in future we demolish this one and then you build the house here. So that's the reason why you calculate the plan for the tank here because when I built my mom's house here, we harvest water also in that tank here. You know what I mean? Well, guys, it's long time. So right now today I'm the handman. Yeah, we removed the local one. This one here. This is the local one. The local one got us. Well guys, so today I'm the handman. Utatema kimubona huyo. Amutangotere kamera. Amu musumari.
Aiwa.
Mange ogeno hano. Marhaba bikirista muha.
Ego trai mura.
Baba tangotere kamera. Tia kwanza tata. Lingani mahayo. Tigambe wansa kansu.
Hapo kabisa.
Tigambe. I think it's okay.
Hope it's okay.
Yeah. Guys, hey, chacha nango kengi chinke. Nango kengi chinke.
Igan.
I thought you know what she couldn't even be in here. Guys, right now my house is too low.
What is that, man?
Hey, you don't bury me. It was up for me. Mano nate mero kwa sana sisi. Mahano.
Idi.
Yanko. Mahano.
Tusukume hano igoro. Hano igoro.
Igoro?
Hache igoro kidogo. So
Adusukume ro ruhikire.
rura.
Ruhikire. Tayaro ta raro akini. Ruhikire tro.
Tagambi gane nani hano rengi hanse.
Inyumba.
Anga musuka tige sakwa igoro.
Hai.
Kusi.
Heyo chacha nanda ito kona anga okengi hiwansere hano.
Iko sawa na uwe. Chota mte nyumbi suntre ba no ra pucha chongo ra ke hai.
Cara ruhikire chacha.
Chacha. Muto ko nungu kumbire hayo hanse go. Njomana.
Ma, rama hano igoro.
Ayo no muro. No muro.
Baba utakira. Ndaguteba muri hano uramurika hanga.
What is up, man?
I'm telling mama mutu. Utai chacha.
Muto ko yo hayo no muromba. Evo.
Sige nango terekere. Oh guys, so today I'm the handman. For the first time my mama hold for me a camera. Cha.
Tigoma.
Uncle, we have week. We struggle with the nails there. At least you know mukere yake.
Kiro ibango kuita makoni.
Chombo na ye ceiling pot.
You see how these trees brought some leaves on the gathers, on the local gathers here. See, leaves everywhere. everywhere. Pone, chacha kano hara amantera askiri ando aturi kichungi. Noni kichungi.
Ye net.
Nona hiyo. Ere ikioma eh.
Sasa
Eh.
kama nani tumetuko.
Okay, Mama, hold for me a camera stand here. Today, guys, I brought some problem to my mom holding for me a camera. Hey. Hi, me here.
Maku gata. Utakuta hang. Dinga hang.
Kana hano.
Kata na shida kan. Utakuya hands.
Hands, the amazing.
Utakuwa nani mako.
Amazing ya mako. Tumare ole ngai.
Utarare ngana. Tu mute hands. Puru downi.
Okay. Ai.
Puta hands.
Tata. Ui. Eno te musumari kurava norobao.
Ibiara iguru cha.
Manyari.
Guys, guys, my finger. Na temero baromba neramo. Guys, I was crying like a baby. Ooh, my finger. Wow. Amumocha mando baniriga. My finger, guys, inside there. Because my house is too low, guys. Guys, if you are tall and then coming to my house here, let me see my height. It's okay, even me. Look, what about the taller one? I don't want to know.
Karibu mama.
Sure. What for and Hannah? I know how old. I don't know, geese. This is what some leaves. So we put the trapping net here. Unyaharo kopoko.
Unyaharo tunwa.
Then guys, I cried. Oh, my finger. Sorry guys, even have some dust. Because that being said, these trees are not supposed to plant near the house. Because it's brought the leaves going to the iron sheets, to the zinc, the gathers, all stuff. These trees next year, I'll cut them from here. Whew. You heard how baby were being crying. So for me, I cried. Oh my God, my finger. Look. So they tried to spoil my fingers, guys. How can I ride my motorbike? But I'm okay. Just like it's happened emergency, like pop, and they say, wow, man. Wow, guys. This is my mom's cafe. A beautiful one. And then I'll build the staircase because when you put the tank, I'll put the staircase here because we block here already this one. So I construct the staircase here for my mama going inside the house because we block there. So that's the walkway forward. Isn't it time for my mama working this way? But right now, going around, coming this way. So I supposed to do some staircase here because this place is high. You put at this level here. Oh guys, so The hectic issue was, how am I getting this water from here, guys? Tricky situation. Guys, you put this string or the rope for the slime thing of the gutters. Brought the water from there up this way. Say hello.
Hello.
Matoka shoot. I thought my sister. Nowadays you look like rich kid. Well, guys. Woo. Well, guys, so work begin right now. We have everything here. Hey. Kananya kwenye tukumutega polisi. Ya mzee chachi. Ego ro wantegi ngega muyendera ni berekire. Ego no ni muko mahali. Yes, my sister struggled to remove the sweater. It's small. But I'm not the one who bought this one. This one is for Juakali, you know. But for the new one, they are inside. Okay. We're very ambitious in there. Wagambira kirantacho rahire imeine. Hata kama ni tatu si sasa si utoe pamoja.
Hizo ni tatu. Oh. Bado.
Bado mbili. Kamando kumsuka mo. Ni mweta. So this one is used to hold the gutters. Mamu washa vizuri kabisa ilave. Wiki ngobiri susire amaguta.
Amaguta usiri ibintu baba.
Na maguta. Toja ambe korabe.
Kanenda kukora biri.
Hi. So guys, at the same time we try to wash the gutters to look clean. Wow.
Mama to alafu kunywa chai alafu washa moto. So it's time to hold these clips. These clips. Imisumari ho geta. I'm looking at the legs here. Legs for holding these clips. Okay. The cha-cha. How is it? Life is so hard. So sweet, so hard.
Life is so hard.
Yes.
How?
You see how we are working hard here.
So without work, how will you get the bread?
The bread. This is very to make a kojua. It's you work on the sun, at least to put something on table. It's time to put the clips. Isn't it the clips? You. Amazing job. So today this tank will be fixed here. So I wanna say goodbye and then we'll see for the next maybe something to do. Hey, nowadays. Sijui anguki hapo. And maybe it's risk, maybe my sister can fall down. Baba ni bero koge kwanza. Jamani. You see guys, so this rope is to put and then give you direction. Look. Akumba ho agator. Here. How kwimukiro rator. Sasa kamera ko hatareke ko. Hayo gotore. It's time to fix today. Hey guys, today's today. Whoa! Hey, you are heavy. You cut this. This one, guys. Hey, it's so expensive. Tia kwanza chiombe tutotore.
Imagine. Oh.
Sasa ni uhako kwa sababu. I have very genius my plumber here. You are sharpening. Wow guys, so I came at the hardware to pick the pipe. So 2 pipe, Tui?
Pipe na elbow mwa.
Elbow ni renga chaka bora.
Si pale zilikuwa ni
1, 2, 3.
Si moja pale chini, 2, 3. Na hara ni 1, 2. Kwa jumla zinataka ziwe 5. Now what we have on the ground is 4.
So you have to take 1 elbow. So guys, I want to pick this one here because the water will be running on the ground. Pono ogoba rango. Tukayo tu chonge. Roro ratore ha. Na era nani tisire. Era ye tap. A pipe. Wow guys. So this is the business for my plumber, and actually when I give him some work, everything that are needed are here, like sinkers I bought here, and also the toilet, like this one here, like this one here, man. And actually there's this spray for the outside. We have the new one inside. Mono. Kana elbow si ndio hizo fungo.
Hizi sio elbow.
You try to bana si kamera yangu.
Hii ni forward trap.
Si kamera yangu. Kana yana rankino anga do tanga gichongi keno. Sasa yana rankino gyo sukuruzi.
Keno okay.
Ketaho. Ma, yana security.
Security.
Yani square, yani kama kile gyo
sukuruzi. Niliweka square hivi na hiki kilikuwepo.
Kwa hivyo hii inaenda nafunga waya na to.
Hii unaweka ndani kwa kuna toa. Sinaona shiko chochote.
Okay guys, try to look the elbow. And then we run with the pipe, man. Sasa bani chari bado mono charenge. Kana wase wa hukura. Elbow zilikuwa hapo. Try to look the elbow. Oh. The elbow look like this one here. If you guys, that's the pipe. And you gotta go take your rats. Oh guys, so finally guys, we're almost done with the work of gathers, and actually we finished for my mom's putting gathers, and tomorrow morning, because of time, we put only gathers, and tomorrow morning we shall put the tank here and put to connect the pipe. You can see, guys, so this is the connector here. So the water is running from there and this way, meet here, and then it will go to inside the tank, which I was being installed inside here. And today I'm the handman. Because of the lack of money, I managed to be the handman, and I have my plumber here. So I wonder, imagine I stand on the ground and I touch the iron sheet, which is not advisable. The house is too short, guys. So even try to imagine the gutters just over here. Look. That's a crazy situation. And there's my pram over there. And also we try to catch water from this part here, from the gate over there, because inside of the compound. We try to catch the water from there. It will meet on this point, and then after meeting there, the pipe is just over here. We have another pipe outsider. So we brought 2 pipes here, and then it will connect here. So all water will go inside the pipe straight, and then run down, go that way, and then after reaching here, it will go this way and then enter to the tank. So guys, the work was so tough, but I will try to manage and run with time. That being said, this timber that you see here, because I didn't have enough money, I go and explain my problem with the timber guy on the store. So they give me 5 of them. So there is 2, here is 2, here is 1. So it's 10 feet long, and when I get the money soon, I will pay him. So it's 1,700. Mom, hiki tu iko na shida. Sasa mimi fundi atakuja gharamikie kwa sababu hapa ifiki futi 2. Ndio uone. Since I left here, guys, I left the mason doing some screeding for this cement. Mama hii sehemu ifiki futi 2. Sasa mimi yule fundi atakuja asimamia mfuko kila kitu. Abomoe.
Kwani hapa.
Sasa amanche ke garai. Ona. Futi 2 inafaa ifiki hapa. Mama ona. Ona tu. Ona hizo inchi. Hizo inchi zote 2.5 zimeenda wapi? Guys, look where is 2 feet is. Ona sasa. Sasa atakuja atindue. Maana kama Hansi. Mama atatindua pale kwa ground huko. Sababu aliweka mota chini kubwa.
Wana kana fundi atatira kore gatuma na kana.
We tried to see water maybe is running. My plumber, they tried to test water maybe is running. You see? Oh, finally it's coming on this point here. Hey, you see, guys? Look. Okay. All right, guys. So we tried to test maybe water is running, and to meet on this angle here. Hey. So when we connect the pipe here, wanna get to call the charge. See, guys, the water is running from there. You see, from that far end. Yeah. There, guys. Woo. Imenyoka. Hey guys, Africa, Kenya. So I'm just working here since morning. I'm working, and tomorrow morning is to install the tank, but there is some small mistake on the ground, like 3 inches. So we just to handle on that. Me, I'm not the guy who joking with money or with work. So tomorrow, my professional mason will work on that. So we're just working on gathers and see how it goes. And also here, hey. Sasa era no acho torhan. Isikiriega. Ichereta han. Mana square ita. E paper hanoere. Connector. Guys, we rotate since morning like oh, so a pipe.
So karibu ende ngarare hetema enyori ende.
Hiyo ni hiyo sasa. Utaleta kamina kaka mati.
Sasa unaona hapa utaleta ti. Kisha weka hii elbow na kuja kukutana nyingine hapa. Na kuja kukutana ti. Ndio natoa maji. Tena zinateremsha kwa pamoja hizo zinapeleka.
Pantara sema tu ke manje kona.
Sasa wacha nikwambie.
Mai pipe ndo atokele tembaka han. Tingutu na harre poro. Lelio. Amu nataka tutaifunga.
Nisikilize basi. Unaona sasa? Uchi elbow ni ya mancharo kale hano. Gano. Ndio sasa na pale panatakiwa pawe na nani?
No hano.
Level ya hapa ndio.
Na ni 5 feet.
Pima kutoka mpaka kama ni 5, so from here, from ground here. Kama hapo. Ucheko rando tuna 5 feet.
Tell you mengi that feet ma. Maybe there is some errors and I'm trying to complain. You just measure maybe from here.
Sinon. Haramantika kuswara 5 nani?
Where is 5 feet? That's 5 feet?
Man.
So that's the height of the tank because the tank is 7.
So the tank
so means 2 feet down.
Yes.
So we're remaining with some errors, 3 inches.
So if you, it is not 5, 2 inches, meaning that
3 inches. So that is a small mistake. And then here, imagine here is 5. You are right, but the mason who have been brought in here. So guys, may I give them my professional work? Oh. Well guys, so finally guys, we managed to do some work over here. So you see how my mom like cleanness all the time. And we finish putting the gutters. So for tomorrow, they wanna put here a half of the gutters running from the gate up this way. So we have the things like tea. We have tea. So this water will be enter here, and this one meet with the pipe, also go there. So tomorrow we work on the base because my professional masons brought for me another mason, and then we have some small issues, but I will try to solve that tomorrow. And I think this week this tank will be there, guys, because the man that I have, mom, how do you feel?
Vizuri.
I want to put for you water here. So you are working for almost 20 years and above. Since you got married, you're going to the river fetching water and whoa. So it's my time maybe to make you to be. We have an antenna for the TV or aerial for the TV. That one there. So we have a small TV for maybe where your life started. I want to remove these nails here because when this tank rotates, it can't interfere. Wow. So I think the work have going on. So this is the elbow. If you're watching on my videos, you see the elbow that you're going to look for, looking like this. This is an elbow. Look from this way. Whoa, curve. So here it's curve. That's why we call an elbow connector. Wow. Iga? Yeah. So the mom they try to cut the rubbish. And also I want to take you outside and give you brief tour evening time. So technically I want to end my videos but it's so long without going to my brother's land where he rented and plant some maize. And actually I want to see how it's doing, and then I'll take you around, see what's going on, guys. Well, guys, I'm heading down to see my brother's maize, and also this week God is good. My mom, she have already got the fertilizer. They're on top, and then the maize is coming up like crazy. You see for my grandma over here. Wow. So this one we want to put, remember guys, when I was showing you the maize was too small. Even right now, guys, look, the maize is big, man. And that's my brother's business. So nowadays I'm not of the owner of that business. Maybe next year I will be the owner, and then plant the maize in order my family could be used, you know. Like when I plant once, my family can eat the whole year without going to the garden. So that is my work. And also I'm heading that way. So imagine it's 1.5 hectares. From other side that I was walking, my brother's maize is coming up to down here. You just see up to down here. So, and it reached on this point. Let me show you, because in our village here we have the local boundary. Sometimes you plant maize, you plant sisal or trees, like it reached here. So this is the boundary, this one here for our neighbor. So other side is our neighbor's land, but for us, where my brothers rent and reach, it's here from other side. And he used a lot of money to rent on the land or to hire the land to plant the maize, looking for the cow, purchasing maize seed, plant, and all stuff. Do you know what I mean? Wow. So if we put some fertilizer, the only work is to dig once, second time, and then we finish, because mom, she have already dig for the first time. So for the second trip we dig, and then we finish. Wow. So don't worry guys, I'm coming to take you going the other side. So for now I'm at my neighbor's land. You see the plant maize. Here we have napier grass, we have banana, we have maize, we have everything. So that being said, in Africa here, more so in our village, farming is our backbone, 100%. That is our first priorities. Farming is the best key in my village here. You see everywhere that I walk is maize, right, left, center, and everywhere it's green, you know. So today I feel like I want to take you for the maybe different places, and I'm going to meet the main Muram Road on the other side. So in case you're new on today's videos, subscribe. And it's so late, but today you get these videos today. It depends the time, and maybe actually the time, because maybe you get evening time or night. It depends the time, man. You see all the way this napier grass here. And today I'm free. Wow, guys. Comment on the comment section, guys. Look how my village was very beautiful. And today the sky is shining. It's evening time. And we run with our time. Wow. So imagine the electric cable is just over here. And from here up to my home, it's 5 posts. Let me show you. There is a electric post here, and also the cables just over here. This is the cable lines. This one that you see, that's the cable lines. Cable lines. You know. So this is the main Muram road here, and all stuff. So try to imagine this is our neighbor's land, and on other side it's our land. So when we have like, let me say 5 posts, because from here up to there it's 1 post, from there up to, let me say approximately 6 posts up to home. And if it's advisable, maybe in the future I will have my own power at home, because have some electronic, it need a lot of power and all stuff. Because this is the post, guys, I'm not lying, 100%. This is the post, you see, and that's the electrical cable or electric cable, guys, you see. And this is digital post, and it's cemented, the mixture of balance stones and also cement and sand, and some steel bar inside, so this can last for the long time here. And also you have the support on the other side. It can use as a post. You see over there, that one. Wow. Okay, let's move on. Whew. The kids are coming back from school. They're walking so slowly. It's evening time. Natoka shule. They feel so hungry. That kids over there. Oh, another one. Vipi bana? Kopoa. Kombuya. Wow. You see how our Muram road is very clear. You can see. And get the view from here. Hey guys, I'm working since morning. I'm working like crazy, and I feel so tired, man. And I just give you evening nature walk, because right now I'm heading to somewhere else, and then we shall meet tomorrow's morning. At the same time, I'll solve the issues, and we'll connect the tank, because today is to install the gutters. Since morning, it's taken us some hours, guys. You see how this looks like here. This one here, look, see what it looks like. You know? There's the motorbike. Green everywhere. Some blue gum trees. So these trees you're supposed to plant far away from the house, because it has the own maybe shamba or all stuff. Wow. Hey, and at the far end, guys, we have a church here near my village. Every corner, maybe you walk like 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers, you find, or 30 minutes by walking, you find some church. And also this road I'm using going back home, this one, and this one I'm using going back to Border Town. And oh, this is a sharp corner. Woo! The motorbike is coming crazy. Wow. So for now, I want to show you the church here. You see the white zinc or the white iron sheet? That is the church where we worship God. You know, our first priorities in this life, you must worship God and life will be okay. So today I give you the brief tour. If you are truly believe in God, this is where our village or our villagers worship God. But for me, I'm a Roman Catholic. Wow. Let me show you the name of this church. Yes, just over here locally. It's Word. You see over there? Word of Faith Church, Nyambare. And it's a nice church. It has a good service. It has morning prayer and also evening prayer. You can see, and also that's the entry. Wow. See how cars are passing here. Look. Going that way. You know, this is a deep village. Since I walk, that's the first car that you see there. And also on the corner, there is the toilet. By maybe you can excuse yourself. Wow. So let me take you back home, and at the same time I want to take shower. Also I need to rush to Nyabohanse to boost my phone because it's 0%. So sometime when my camera maybe went off, or my battery of my camera went off, when I'm still at my village, that's the case. Oh yeah, guys, that's True Boy 254. If you know, Burundian travelers driver, but for now he managed to have the own motorbike. God is good, and also he was building the house, he was building the villa, the cabin. So I'm using this highway. You see, that's the motorbike. So technically, that being said, in our village here, most of means of transport is motorbike. You know, is motorbike. And I promised one of my neighbor here over there is to build, oh yes, is to build to continue making for me some bricks. But guys, because of lack of money, our deal bounced. If you wish, guys, you can support on that. And he need 40,000 to make for me 10,000 bricks, and they use the large system of making bricks. But because of time and money, our deal bounced. Maybe when I get money, I'll give to him and tell him just make for me bricks. But sorry for this, I make some promise and other promise failed, other promise succeed. Whew. Wow. You see, since I walk, you see some maize, green views, green nature, and the sun is going that way, down. That is the sun. That's how you see its face through my face. Whew. The higher you go, the cooler it becomes. So our deal failed, and I'm so sorry for that. If you wish, guys, at least you push me with 30,000 or $300, I can give my neighbors to make for me some rocks or bricks like this one here. They have red bands, and maybe he has another house on the other side, so maybe he wants to get money earlier, so to fix the house. Whew. Guys, for me, to be honest, your support is my life, and your support I really highly appreciate on that, because the little money that I get, I spend on my project. Me, I can't waste any money. Guys, rain is coming. You see the cloud? But on the other side, it looks like blue in color sometimes, but here it's dark. Wow. So we are on the point. When I get the money, I'm not misuse the money. If the haters think that Hello Baby I'm misusing my money, sorry for that. If you believe on me, you see things that I was doing at my home, making the toilet, they are there. Maybe for those people supporting maybe on me to build my toilet, I make the videos, evidence are there. But I know for the haters, most so in our village here, right now our village is totally toxic. When I'm saying toxic, some spread of the lies are going on here. Yeah. There's one of my neighbor here who I normally when I purchase some materials transporting from border, they normally overload and then I give him some money. But nowadays, no more job. Yeah, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my friend, and actually he was my neighbor over here. His home is here, and he was a married person, so I respect the married person. So when I have the job, I request him. But nowadays, because I stopped my project, so I didn't stop my project because of maybe the reason. I finished, and right now I'm looking for the money to purchase some tiles at once and for all. I finish up. So you see the mess around here. Hey. Ekioreko. Tani project azini huku.
Akatuwana katunando chena mahanga.
Unimbu hande nkankuya. Katsura ni sabe bono ni nyabo hansi. Anda jore gasi ndakote.
Ambekere gasi.
Utana usasi. Tukuma choye imera. Yeah, guy. He was the guy who supported me on maybe put aside the sand or muram, and then I pay him some money. You know, as long as when I have the money in my village here, when I have some work to do, I call my neighbor, so do for me this, and then I pay him the money. At least he puts something on table, and also he has the family. The family needs to eat and all stuff. You know what I mean, guy? Whew. But for now, guys, I was on the point of if people doesn't believe on me, but I know 100% people believe on me. And for the haters, especially in my village here, spread the lies all over the world. So right now my village is 100% toxic lies. But guys, me, I'm just moved with those people who are moving with me and watching my videos. If you said Hello Baby, just purchase this bangle that I wear on my hand here. I make our videos, you see by yourself, you see the price and all stuff. But right now, 100%, my toilet I finish up. Right now I was working on the tank. And when I finish on the tank, I'm on the process of making bricks. Making bricks. Oh man. So because of the sun, guys, there is it. Come on, Torama Hanefas. Sante sana. I'm saying we shall see maybe tomorrow. Thank you so much for escorting me. Wow, guys. So for me, I want to end my videos because of time, and I didn't have the watch, but I can use psychological mind. It's almost 5:30 p.m. That's my local time, because when you see the sun over the trees, it means it's evening time, and I want to take shower and also to take my baby outside to upload the videos, charging my phone. So that's my first baby here. It's waiting me, and it's transporting me all over the village. So it's good to end my videos on my work where I was working. Whew. You see, guys, just hard working like mama, like son. So guys, thank you so much. I want to say thank you guys. Even this cape is heavy to me. Guys, thank you so much for the work that I was doing here, and by watching my videos. I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you all the time. Nothing changed in my village here or in my compound, especially guys, sorry for that, especially some work. Maybe today I do some gathers, tomorrow to fix this, maybe other day, like when it's raining, this place it wanna be muddy everywhere. So I'm thinking like when I get to like 6 bags of cement, I'll put just like concrete field around here. Like you can see it's muddy. Look, this is the food for the cows. So like when I get the money to purchase 6 bags of cement and labor money, those are like when I have 2 mason here. So when I have like let me say 7,000, it can finish up everything here. So for now, let's finish one thing after the other. So thank you so much. May God bless you. Let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow. And it's depend the time, it's depend the work. And also have a blessed day, guys. Bye bye.